Alright, for question 11, it wants us to write the equation of the line perpendicular to y equals 3. Y equals 3 is what we call a constant function because no matter the value of x, the value of the function y will always be 3. If you want to think of it in terms of the slope and the y-intercept, because there is no x term, that must mean that the coefficient was 0. So the slope here is 0, the y-intercept is a positive 3. 0, like every other number, can be written over 1. Still equal to 0. It actually could be written over 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. But if we wanted to graph this, what this looks like, it has a y-intercept of 3, a slope of 0. So it's going to be a horizontal line. And it's called a constant function because the value of this function is always 3. Okay, if x is 0, y is 3, x is 1, y is 3, 2, y is 3, and so on and so forth. If you want to think of it in terms of your graphing, we always graph linear equations with the y-intercept first. So we go up to 3, and then we rise 0, run 1, rise 0, run 1. So any equation y equal to a constant is going to be a horizontal line through that value on the y-axis. Now, the line that we're writing the equation for is perpendicular to this, and it passes through the point 4,3. So let's get to point 4,3 on the graph, and then let's talk about what kind of line is perpendicular to a horizontal line. Well, if you think, perpendicular means they intersect to form right angles, so the only type of line that can be perpendicular to a horizontal line is a vertical line. If a horizontal line is y equal to a constant, then a vertical line is probably x equal to a constant. Because remember, for any value of y, the value of this, I guess, not even a function, this equation, is going to be the same. So if it passes to the point 4,3, go over to that point on the x-axis with over 1, 2, 3, 4. So at 0, at a y value of 0, the x value is 4, 1 it's 4, 2 it's 4, 3 it's 4. So in this case, the equation x equals 4 will be perpendicular to the line y equals 3, and it will pass through the point 4,3. And that's how you do question number 11.